We are still in disbelief that this happened. And honestly, we really don't know where this coup will lead us to. For me personally, it was my worst nightmare unfolding right before my eyes.
There is no party or institution behind this movement. No central leadership either. Just hundreds of thousands of people organised through communities and professions into a remarkably coordinated show of opposition. The military government is trying to present these protests as the work of a few agitators hoodwinking young people into joining. Today's general strike set out to prove that wrong.
Myanmar's major trade unions plan a full extended shutdown of the economy to raise pressure on the junta to end its coup.
Among their tactics, railway workers have used their bodies to block trains, disrupting transportation.